Hi, my name's Paul, and I seem to have generated some interest on the board about upgrading the RAM in a new Mac Mini. I just bought a brand new Mac Mini. I started with 8 gigabytes of RAM because Apple wants $1,000 to max it out to 64, and I'll be damned if I'm paying that. So I went online, and well, first I found out that the RAM is the only thing left on the Mac Mini that is still like technically user upgradable. Like you can actually get to it and change it out. The CPU and the SSDs are soldered to the board and they're not coming off. So I went online and I got this on Amazon. It was like a Prime Day deal. It is two 32 gig sticks of DDR4 2666 SODIMMs for a total of 64 gigs. And I did some research and made sure that this particular set was compatible with the Mac. Everybody says it is, and we'll see. So that's what I'm going to do. I got that for 165 bucks a couple weeks ago. So, and I'm following a tutorial on iFixit.com. You can look that up. And I splurged a little bit and got this iFixit bit set. And it's got every bit that I'm going to need to do this upgrade. And I have these tools from, I think I got these at iFixit too, but years ago when I was doing screen replacement on my iPhone. They call this like an opening tool, and this is called a spudger. I don't know why. And then I have just these little rainbow silicone trays for screws. Anyway, so I'm going to use those for all the screws so I don't get them mixed up. And here we go. I've already powered this machine on and confirmed that it works and that it does have 8 gigs, as you can see here. So now it's powered off and unplugged, and we're going to start. So, I've watched iFixit's video several times, and now I'm just going to kind of go through the step-by-step instructions. The first one is to remove this kind of rubber plastic disc, which easily pops off with this funny little tool. There we go. Yeah. So there's that. And then it says to just pop that off and put it aside. And then there are 6 TR6 torque security screws. These 6 guys around here, they're in like 3 and 3. Those are the 2 different types. So let's find the T6. The instructions say that it should just come off, but you only want to move it just a little bit this way, because there is this whole bottom tray thing is, oh, have it backwards? Yeah, I do. Oops. Okay, so this whole bottom tray is pretty much the Wi-Fi antenna, I think. But there is, I don't know how well you can see, but like down in here, there's another screw right there that holds a bracket that is holding down the cable that attaches this antenna to the motherboard. And so that is a T6 non-security, but we're just going to use the T6 because they're basically the same. There we go. And there it is. And out comes this little tray, and there is the little connector. It's weird, it's like a little kind of pancake connector. The fan shroud, which is this guy, comes out with another T6. Oh, there's these 2 and then these 2 kind of coming in this way. Okay, now this guy comes up and he's got his own, oh, there we go. He's got his own connector The wire coming this way, and he's got his own little kind of weird rectangular connector. A weird one, but that is out as well. This is actually the RAM right here. You can already see it. This kind of perforated metal thing is a kind of a heat sink and protective cover for the RAM. So we can already see it. Now the thing is, there's still a bit more to go before we can actually get to it. Namely, this power supply cable has to come out. There's a small connector here at the front for the one LED on the front of the Mac. There's right there. There's this tiny little LED, and the wire for it comes in right here. Okay, that was pretty easy. It pops off kind of up. Oh boy, T10. Now we've changed bits for the first time. And these are the two main screws holding the logic board to the body. And here's what'll make your butt pucker. We have to pull this and push this entire kind of central area out of the body through the back. And it is done like so. Oh, yeah! Yahtzee! Ta-da! So there's the body out of the way, and here's our RAM. Probably need the T5 now. Yep, T5. Phone says I've been filming for about 11 minutes. So there's, she slides off kind of up and at an angle. And there we are. I'll open the new RAM. These should slide out that. They kind of, there's these rubber things on the sides that hold them down kind of in locked position, and you spread them out to the side and the sticks kind of pop up. And you can see they have a little notch cut out of the thing, so, and that's off center, so you can only put it in one way. So you kind of line it up. You can see that this one wants to go this way. So you kind of line it up and slide it in and pop it down. And then you take the other one and do the same thing. There we go. Just light pressure just to make sure that they're in there. I'm going to put the original RAM back in this Crucial package. And now we put everything back. Boom, done. My phone says that took about 20 minutes. It worked. As you can see, there's 64 gigs of system memory, and then you go to the memory tab and it's two 32 gigabyte sticks, one in each slot. And that's it. I don't think it could have been any easier. You should do it. Don't pay Apple $1,000 for RAM. That's ridiculous. Bye.